Yes, that's correct. Today, we will explore 15 moments of seemingly harmless birds that turn out to be cold-blooded killers captured by the camera. Indeed, the following videos will leave you amazed and perhaps a bit frightened. Join me on this exploration. To kick off the video, I couldn't believe that a graceful seabird could swallow such an adorable shrew mouse. Is it possible that it has a scratch in its throat? Oh no, it seems perfectly fine. How did these seagulls catch a small cat? It attempted to swallow the cat but was too large, and the bird had to let it go. After softening up the cat, the seabird began a gruesome meal. A lost duckling immediately becomes the first choice for the seabird. It swiftly breaks the duckling's spine and drowns it, enjoying a free meal. Where is the mother duck? Poor little duckling. Amidst the hustle and bustle of life, a seagull from above saw a flock of pigeons near the pond's edge. It freezes and swiftly swoops down, accurately capturing its prey and dragging the pigeon far away. Despite its efforts to escape, the pigeon cannot outrun the superior strength of its foe. The signs of life slowly fade away, and it becomes the next meal. In another video, a bird is trying to protect its mate from the claws of an evil bird. Luckily, a man arrived just in time to chase away the invader and save the female bird. This net is intended for catching fish, but instantly turns into a pigeon trap. The pelican grabs a pigeon, trapping its beak, leaving it no way to escape. Despite the pigeon's fierce resistance, the pelican chooses to swallow it, even while it's still alive. In the blink of an eye, a white heron catches a mouse trying to escape, gripping its neck until it stops breathing. Without wasting time, it swallows the prey into its long throat. A shrew is busy digging a burrow, unaware that the predator is lurking above the hole. A precise dive snatches the shrew out of the freshly dug hole, tossing it up and catching the midday horror show. The second prey shares the same fate. It seems the little duck is still alive. What on earth is happening? It's genuinely horrifying. A mouse is looking for a new home. Suddenly, a heron approaches the newly dug hole, becomes motionless, and decisively snatches the prey with its sharp beak. It then takes the freshly caught game underwater. With the victim soaking wet, the kingfish enjoys its meal. Nature can be ruthless to all species. In another video, a heron identifies its target as small ducks under the water's surface. It dives down, catches a duck, and despite the mother duck's constant cries, it continues to capture the remaining ducklings and swallow them. It relentlessly hunts until the entire duckling flock is gone. As the apex predator underwater, a small crocodile becomes a lavish meal for a lurking heron. A mother rabbit is foraging, hearing the distressed squeaks of its babies. Despite continuous attacks from the crow, the mother rabbit ignores it, leaving the poor little one to be tortured to death. A mother that should be condemned. Unbelievably, a small bird can attack a snake at such close range. It is attempting to peck the snake's eyes. Do you know the name of this bird? It's genuinely a courageous bird. The owner gave the cormorant a giant fish. Although the fish is too large, the cormorant still attempts to stuff it into its minor throat, astonishingly accommodating the entire big fish. A flock of small swans followed their mother into the water, and seagulls discovered this. It doesn't know that today is the last day of its life. After attacking the swans, the seagull was brutally assaulted by two swans and had no chance to resist. Sometimes, the hunter becomes the prey. That is the life cycle of a hunter. Good night, seagull.